Did you know Notion became a $10 billion company without spending a dime on ads in their initial days? Notion, the note taking and productivity app, didn't follow the usual playbook. While most startups throw money at ads to grow, Notion did something different. They built a cult following by empowering the community. It all started with the product itself. Notion wasn't just a tool, it was a blank canvas. People could create anything from task board and wikis to personal journals. This flexibility made users feel like creators, not just consumers. But here's the genius part. Notion didn't keep it to themselves. They created Notion ambassadors, a global network of power users who organized meetups, built templates, and taught others how to use Notion. These templates they became Notion's secret weapon. Thousands of free user-made templates shared on social media, YouTube, and blogs. Every template was a mini advertisement for Notion. Then came the content flywheel. If productivity creators on YouTube and TikTok showcased their setups with Notion, people didn't just hear about Notion, they saw it in action in real people's workflow. By 2020, Notion had 4 million users. Today, they are worth over $10 billion and they did it without single traditional ad campaign. The Notion story proves that when you build a product people love and empower the community to tell the story, you don't need ads, you need believers. If you enjoy business stories like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, keep building and keep learning.